Welcome to Do the World. This is a video guide on how to reproduce a printed text and handwritten text using a text scanner. This method can be used to type your school project and test it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more tips on how to scan documents with a smartphone. This particular app is a device that optically scans images, printed text, and handwritten text. With the help of this app, you don't need a computer to typeset your Word document. After watching this video, you can now type your document with just a smartphone. Alright, let's see how we can use it to reproduce a written text or a document that has been printed. Okay, now this is a Word document that I'm going to reproduce. So all I need to do, since I have already snapped it, I'll click on the image, I'll click it again, I'll tap on it, alright, you can see the image you saw earlier, and this has been scanned. Chapter 2 Literature Review. This session reviewed the related literature based on the following subheading. Of course, you saw it earlier from a printed handout. Alright, now you have scanned the document. All you need to do to click on it and copy. So I have to copy. Then I will locate my Word document and click on the plus sign. I locate document. If what you want to do is a document, then you click on document. If it's a PowerPoint presentation, you click on PowerPoint. If it's a MS Word, a spreadsheet, then click on a spreadsheet. But at this time, we are going to reproduce the printed text in Word document. So you click on the Word document. Then click on the blank page. Now this is a new Word document. All we need, you can see, is blinking. The mouse is blinking, the cursor. So when you click on it, you'll be able to paste. You can see select or paste. So click on paste. Now I have pasted my document. So I need to format it properly. Click on select. I have bold it. I can change the font to whatever font I want. You can change it to Dancing Script or Notonas Arabic. So this is the font I want to give to the chapter 2 heading. Alright, so that is okay. Now you can see I bold it. I can also highlight this one and decide to bold it before sending it to printer. So you click here. There you see B for bold. You can italize it or you can underline. You select the type of underline under this. You can also go and remove it. Okay, maybe you prefer this or you prefer this. Okay, you can strike it and remove the strike line. Now you can change the size to 12, the point size to 12 or 14. Then after which you go back again. Now, if you are done editing the work, you can click on Save or Save As. Under the Save As, you can say my project work. Okay, then you click on Save. Now I have saved it. All I need to do is to send it to someone, to printer, to send it to a printer, either using the text, either using the YouTube, using a Bluetooth or flash drive, or use flash share. So you can see some of the templates you can actually use. Maybe you want to design a CV. You can see a template, a resume. You can see a lot of templates. You want a business card. This is samples of business card you can use and modify, then send to printer and print. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to utilize your smartphone. Thank you.